This is Euclid Book 11, definitions number 11 and 12. And definition number 11 says as follows. A solid angle is the inclination constituted by more than two lines which meet one another and are not in the same surface towards all lines. Otherwise, a solid angle is that which is contained by more than two plane angles which are not in the same plane and are constructed to one point. What does that mean? Wow. Okay. Well, I want you to draw this illustration right here. I want you to draw it. Okay. And I'll try to use this as best I can to illustrate this. Okay. Now, what they're talking about here, normally an angle would be like BAC. That would be a normal angle because it'd be contained by two rays. Okay. But a solid angle is a little different story. Okay. What they're saying is that the solid angle is actually AB, AC, and AD, all combined. Okay. So that means that this particular solid angle has more than two lines connecting it together. Okay. So let's go through the definition again. Try to clear this up. A solid angle is the inclination constituted by more than two lines. Okay, well, inclination means you're going up. That's inclination right there. And you have more than two lines meeting at this point. You have AB, AC, and AD all meeting at the same point. Let's go on with the definitions. It says, a solid angle is the inclination constituted by more than two lines which meet one another and are not in the same surface towards all lines. Okay. AB is a part of surface ABC, but AB is not a part of surface CAD. Getting the picture? Likewise, AC is a part of surface ABC, but AC is not a part of the surface known as BAD. Remember, this thing has three surfaces. This is one of them, this is one, and there's one in the back. Okay? You say, well, that looks like a pyramid. Well, it is a pyramid in this case. And the pyramid has four surfaces. It has this one, it has this one, it has one in the back, and it has the bottom and the base. Okay? So we can also say that AD is a part of surface ABC. AD is also a part of surface ABD, but AD is not a part of the surface known as BAC. See what I mean? Okay, but if we read the rest of the definition, it says a solid angle is that which is contained by more than two plane angles. Okay. Well, ABC is one plane angle, ACD is one plane angle. So this surface angle is contained by more than one plane angle. It's actually contained by more than two plane angles because this surface angle is contained by angle A, it's contained by BAD and by BAC and by CAD. See what I mean? So let me read the definition again. Otherwise, a solid angle is that which is contained by more than two plane angles which are not in the same plane and are constructed to one point. Well, every one of these angles meet at one point. BAC meets ACD, and it also meets BAD at the same point. So that's where you get your solid angle. Now, what about number 12? A pyramid is a solid figure contained by planes which is constructed from one plane to one point. Okay? This is a pyramid, and it is a solid figure, as you can see, just like the cube. It is contained by planes. Well, It is contained by plane BAC. It is contained by plane CAD. It is contained by plane BAD. And it is contained by plane BCD. Okay. So again, reading the definition, the pyramid is a solid figure contained by planes, which we just illustrated, which is constructed from one plane to one point. All these lines go from this plane, which is BDC, all the way up to A. And that's what that means. Alright. I will tell you more in a future video, so I want you to stay tuned.